So let's paint one more quick fall, Halloweenish, maybe more fall. I don't know. Are candy corns Halloween or are candy corns fall? I don't really know if you can coin these Halloween, but I made them in my batch of Halloween rocks. So we're just laying out our rings, white in the center, then orange, then yellow. We are going to let that dry while we add on a stem, a leaf, and a little bit of ground where this little candy corn flower is gonna live. Now, yellow and orange sometimes need a second coat on a rock. You could put down a whole white undercoat here, so that you only have to do one coat if you want to, but I didn't, so you'll see I'm doing a second layer on my yellow and my orange. So we're gonna line our stem, we're gonna line our leaf, we're gonna add a little bit of markings in the grass just to give it some texture, and then we're gonna start outlining our petals in a candy corn shape. So it's a very rounded edged triangle. So I'm gonna start with two across from each other, two the opposite way, and then I'll fill in the centers. Depending on how big your flower is, how many petals you're gonna have, but I found that this 8 worked out pretty well. And so I just stuck with that for the other designs. I did go a little past the yellow on this one so that when you fill in, you don't have any gaps in between the petals. Now I'm gonna go in and do another little coat of white. And like I said, a little bit more yellow. And that's how simple and quick these are. This is such a fast tutorial, but I just wanted to share because at first I was having a hard time getting this one to come together, but my daughter came in and loved these candy corn flowers, so I finished up the batch of 5. You can see in this final picture I did some where the petals weren't completely touching too, so that's another take that you can try. Follow for more.